Today I will be discuss about the benefits of barley. First benefit is great for breakfast. Barley is nutrient rich and makes a satisfactory meal. It packs with the fibers and essential minerals such as selenium, copper, tryptophan and magnesium. These all minerals are very good for the muscles and bones. These minerals give strength over bones and muscles in all activities of life. It gives you energy and keeps you feeling satisfied for a good part of the day. The magnesium in barley helps you to feel happy and energetic. It also calms your nervous system. Harvard researchers studied the effects of consuming a green breakfast on a daily basis. This study found over a period of 90 years that men who enjoyed a daily morning bowl of whole grain cereal had a 29% lower risk of heart failure. Not bad for a simple grain. Now I will share about the risk of heart failure because barley consists fibers and fibers lower the cholesterol level in the blood. When LDL in the blood low and increase the level of HDL because HDL is a good cholesterol and lower the risk of the heart failure. Next, helps you lose weight. Barley helps to reduce weight partially because of several kinds of essential amino acids and partially because of its fibers content. Barley modulates your blood sugar levels, thus avoiding the sugar peak and drops usually associated with fat storage process. Barley compared to other grains is low in calories and at the same time it makes a satisfactory meal, helping you feel full longer so you don't need to eat as frequently. Helps to stabilize blood pressure. It is very good for the lowering blood pressure and because these grains consist highly fibers. It is very good diet for the hypertension patients. A 5-week long study compared different grain combinations. It showed that adults who increased their intake of barley experienced a reduction in blood pressure, reduced risk of cancer and heart disease. Barley is rich in plant lignans which protect against breast and other hormone dependent cancers as well as heart disease by reducing free radicals and visceral fat and stabilizing the blood pressure. Barley minimizes over blood pressure level in the body. It is also work as an antioxidant. Reduces symptoms of arthritis. It is very good grains in the uh, inflammation of joints. Barley has copper, which may also be helpful in reducing the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease. In this disease, autoimmune system hypersensitive and inflammation of the joints. Copper disarms free radicals, thus helping cell regeneration. Copper is essential in cross-linking collagen and elastin, making bones and joints flexible. Helps develop and repair body tissues. Barley is also rich in phosphorus, which aids in cell regeneration. Phosphorus helps in forming bone It is an essential building block of the genetic code and plays an important role in healthy cell membranes and more nervous system. Greater source niacin. Barley is greater source of niacin, vitamin B, that provides numerous benefits to our cardiovascular system. Niacin can help reduce bad cholesterol, lipoprotein, and free radicals. It also lowers the risk of blood clots. It is also called anticoagulant. Reduce visceral fat. Visceral fat means internal organs like heart, lungs, liver. Reduce the fats. A Japanese study followed 44 men with high cholesterol and found that adding barley to their diet significantly reduced serum cholesterol and visceral fat, known contributors to cardiovascular risk. Lower bad cholesterol. Propionic acid produces from barley insoluble fiber may also be partially responsible for its cholesterol lowering properties. It lowers the activity of HMG coenzyme reductase enzyme and helps lower blood cholesterol levels. Inhibit formation of gallstones. Gallstone occur due to the accumulation of fat in the bile pigment in the gallbladder. Barley helps reduce level of triglycerides. Some may avoid gallstone with an increased intake of barley. Also, barley is rich in insoluble fiber. There is the hypothesis that insoluble fiber reduce the secretion of bile acid, which contribute to gallstone formation. In Indispensable for women. UK researchers looked at how fiber intake affects premenopausal women. They found that a diet rich in fiber from whole grains such as barley offered up to a 50% reduction in breast cancer. Yet another study looked at postmenopausal women and showed a reduction in risk of 34% for breast cancer in women who consumed whole grains such as barley. Barley grass juice is great for digestion, GIT problems. Barley grass juice also digestive juices work harder. It increases your metabolism and makes you feel lighter. It is especially beneficial for people who feel bloated. Improves immunity. Barley is rich in plant lignans which are good for friendly flora in your intestines. In turn, barley supports your immunity. Additionally, barley is high in vitamin C, which also supports your immune system. Barley makes you feel full, satisfied, and relaxed. Helps to prevent osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means the loss of the weight of the bones. The barley and barley grass contains manganese, phosphorus and copper which are good for healthy bones. Barley juice is very high in calcium, making your bones stronger, promotes optimal health. Fiber in barley minimizes the amount of time food stays in your colon. In addition, it is very good for the constipation patient. In addition, it is a good source of selenium, which has been shown to reduce the risk of colon cancer. Selenium is an essential component for thyroid health. It is also an antioxidant defense and an immune builder. Selenium has also been shown to repair damaged cells in the body. Helps to cure anemia. The iron contained in barley increases the blood volume, which prevents anemia and fatigue. Slow atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis means a plaque block the arteries and damage the arteries. Then ischemia. Ischemia means proper blood supply not supply to the organ. Badly slow atherosclerosis, which is the plaque buildup that narrow blood vessels. It is a good source of vitamin B, niacin. Niacin may help prevent free radicals while reducing bad cholesterol and blood clots. Supports the kidney, barley facilitate proper kidney functions. Thank you. I hope today topic understand the benefits of barley.